Hi y'all. This is Eunice. Some of you know, YouTube ako before pero mga mini vlogs lang and kung anong-anong mga anek-anek lang. Ngayon, naisip ko na mag-podcast.
Wow.
And for my first ever podcast episode, I have a special guest. Actually, dalawa sila. Meron ako mga special guest na kasama right now. We have Jazz and Belle. Introduce yourself.
I'm doing Justin Carganilla and
I'm Belle.
Alright, so for our first episode, naisip ko na ang magandang topic is, ang magandang gawin namin is mag-question and answer. Now, bibigyan ko ng tig 10 questions si Belle and si Jazz. Magkakaiba silang questions. Bala na. It's okay for you to answer kung ano yung nasa puso ninyo, okay? Don't be scared or what. Okay? Huh? Yeah, use your mic. Okay. So, again, our first episode is interviewing my kids. And wala naman akong choice kundi sila talaga ang aking first guest. Ngayon, mag-start tayo kay Belle. Belle.
Why?
What? Listen. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
I want to be thankful to the kids or the family.
You want them to what?
Thankful.
Thankful? What do you mean?
Thank you. Thank you sa akin.
Gusto mo maging thankful yung mga kids and family sa'yo. That's why you wanna be a doctor.
Yeah.
Grabe ka naman, te. Ano pa? What else? Don't do that. What else?
Police.
You wanna be a police?
Yeah.
Why?
Kasi yung ano pala yun?
What?
Ano pala yun?
Criminals?
Criminals pag take ng gamit ng people ay gana get them kaya wala magkunin ng gamit ng mga magulang or the mga kids.
Oh. Palakpakan tayo dyan. Okay, very good, very good. What else? Wala na? Yun lang? Dami ba yan?
Painter.
What?
Painter.
Oh, you wanna be a painter. Yeah, it shows. Okay, what else?
Firefighter.
Oh yeah, you wanna be a fighter, right?
Firefighter?
Yeah. Okay, that's it?
Yup.
Dami mong pangarap, siguraduhin mong isa man lang dyan, matutupad mo ha.
Isa lang yun isa mo.
Okay, that's our first question. Okay, let's go to Kuya Jazz. Okay, if you could make 3 wishes, what would they be? Like first one, kahit hindi siya like sunod-sunod, not in whatever.
My first wish would be how do you call this? My first wish I would have a lot of money to buy anything I want and everything my family wants.
Okay, great, good, very good. What else?
My second wish, I wish that this lifelong time I can spend time with my family more.
Yeah, okay, very good. E di magpakabait ka para bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Next, what's the last one?
And my third wish, that I can go with my mother and my tita and my tito to go to the High Minds concert.
Yeah, oo. Kasi, yeah, High Minds concert. Yeah, kasi at this coming September. Hindi, magpakabait ka para makapunta ka doon. Okay. Next, Belle. If you could only keep one toy, which one would you keep? One toy lang, ha? Which present?
Anong toy?
Yung binigay ni Tata Izzy sa akin.
Yung etong pinakahuli. Oh, okay. Why? Don't do that.
Ay, no! Hindi ko pa nabuksan kasi
Okay,
Oh my
okay.
God.
Okay,
Wala.
next. If you could be anywhere right now, where would you be?
Right now?
Yeah, you could be anywhere.
Hindi talaga ba?
Wait. That's hard.
You could be anywhere, where would you be? And what would you be doing? Anything na
Okay,
pumasok sa
I know. In this very time, I would go out with a vacation with my family so that we can spend family time. We can talk about our needs and whatever we want.
So you wanna go on a vacation na?
Yes.
Saglit ka pala nag-i-school bag, gusto mo bakasyon agad
Yes.
Iba. Next. Belle,
Okay.
what's your favorite game to play?
Barbie card. Barbie card.
Barbie card? What is it?
The Barbie card. Yung pag ay, yung gift ni Tata Izzy kay kasi pag na-fall yung teeth niya.
Game ba yun? Game?
Yeah.
Sa cellphone.
Is it a game?
Okay.
Or how about
Game yun.
how about a game sa phone nga? Yeah, game sa phone. Wala kang
Barbie game.
anything na Barbie or
Pag nagda-download mo yun.
use your mic.
Pag yung set, pag da-download kami, meron din dun sa Barbie.
Pang Barbie. Oh, okay. Parang di naman bagay sa'yo, B. Next, let's go back to Kuya Jazz.
Okay.
If we were at the grocery store, what would you like to buy? And why?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, which one?
I would buy food. I would buy food.
talaga. What's your favorite food na nasa grocery store?
My favorite one. I don't know if you guys eat this, but I eat crinkles.
Yummy!
I very love crinkles at the grocery store.
Crinkles?
Crinkles.
Okay.
The white and brown.
Okay. Yung chocolate na may
Yes,
white
yeah.
light. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, si Belle. Eto. Gandang question to kay Belle. If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
I'm a dog.
Dog. Oh, why do you want to be a dog?
I like dog palagi.
Like super, no? You love dogs talaga. Oo. Isang nga dyan, bark. isa lang sabi ko eh. Oh, next. Si Kuya Jazz.
Okay, me too.
Oh, maganda rin to. What would you do with $1 million? Di ba pinanonood mo si ano? Sino ba yung
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, right? So,
My teacher wrote that. My teacher, Sir Jumar, shout out to Sir Jumar there. he wanted us, my classmates, to do a essay if I would have 300,000, I think,
Mm.
and how would I spend it?
Oh,
I answered like five, th- five, five
dami naman.
things.
Okay, go.
I don't remember it much, but I'll just say the other things. First, I would buy anything I want. Um, like my own. How would you say this?
Which one?
My own house,
Okay.
and
Don't do that.
my second one that I want to do with my $1,000,000 is to buy my sister's ones.
Wow. Bait din. Oh, next.
And my third one is that um I could go to US. That's actually my dream, to go to the US.
Di ba before you wanna go to Bahamas?
Yeah, that's in the US.
Oh, yeah.
I think so. I think
Yeah, I
that's my question to you guys.
Paano
Is Bahamas in the US? Yes or no?
Okay. So you wanna spend the $1,000,000 para sa mga wants mo and needs mo and for your sister
Yes.
too. Okay. You don't wanna be like Mr. Beast, like giving out stuff, money sa people who are in need.
Because Mr. Beast gives out money to people that doesn't need money. They use it as like to play, like GTA. Like Mr. Beast is gonna say something. If you win this, I'll give you like
Okay,
$1,000.
pang
Yeah, like that.
games. Okay, gets. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, let's go to Bella Shaw. How many animal noises can you make?
How many daw?
How many? Let's start with your favorite animal. Dog. What's the sound of the dog?
with
How about a cat?
meow?
How about a bird? Oh, how about a pig? How about a horse? Horse? I think that's cow. Or I think that's a cow, no? What's the sound of the cow?
Moo.
Oh, how about a goat or sheep?
Meh. Meh.
What else? Ano pa ba yung mga How about a snake? Dami Ano pa mga alam mong animals? Tiger or lion? Wow, parang nag-burp lang Okay, what else? Wala na. But there's a lot, no?
I want.
Wala na.
Hindi.
Is there something in your mind?
Yung mahaba yung
Is that elephant? Can you do the elephant?
Hindi ko alam.
It's okay.
Alam ko yun eh.
Ano pa ba yung mga
Ako na teacher eh.
Ano pa ba mga
Ooh.
Oh, how about a monkey?
Ooh.
Use your mic.
Ooh.
Rat? How about a rat? Oh yeah. How about a rat? Okay, very good. So, madami nga. Wala ka nang dapat patunayan pa. Okay, next. Kuya Jazz. Ay, magandang question na to. Okay. What's something that you don't like about mommy?
I think you know this one.
Mukhang marami. Ano?
I have a list.
Ano?
Do they know Tagalog?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll speak in Tagalog because I don't know what the Tagalog of this. I don't like about you is you scream too much.
Like shout too much.
Yeah. You scream too much. you always do pranks
Okay.
To me.
to everyone.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how about
Last one.
the last one is I had that in my mind. I just wait.
Ayan.
Wait.
Ano?
The last thing I don't like about you
Mm.
that ang tawag doon, pinapagalitan mo si Belle. Like naaawa ako kay Belle pag pinapagalitan mo siya. Like even it's my fault that you're pinapagalitan kay Belle, I'm still naaawa kay Belle.
Okay. Kasi, kapag pinagalitan ng isa, dami talaga lahat.
Yes, tama.
Yan ang turo namin sa kanila, guys. So,
Yeah.
kasalanan ng isa, kasalanan ng lahat. Para lahat sila matututo sa pagkakamali ng isa. Hmm? Okay. Okay. Next. Belle. Sit properly, baby. What's the silliest face can you make?
Okay. Yan yung best. Yan yung best.
Yan yung best. Oh, sige, go. Show them, ha? Do you want me to count? No, you don't. Dali.
Show them.
Paano yung anak ni Melay? Paano yung anak ni Melay? May sound pa. Ang dami niyong entry, be.
Ito
Wait, okay. Do you, maganda question to, Jess.
To me?
Yeah. Kuya Jess na. Do you think you should be paid for a specific chores? If you think so, which one? And how much do you think it's worth?
Let's say
First question muna, do you think na we should be paying you for a specific chores? Or I should be paying you for a specific
what
chores?
specific chores, like a lot of chores or not a lot of chores?
It's just a specific, just one. Let's say,
Just one?
Yeah.
No.
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 Why?
Because if it's one, I don't need to be paid to do one chore. But if it's a lot, like cleaning the whole house, I need to be paid.
Ayos ha. Okay. Since sinabi mo na yan, then how much do you think it's worth?
Let's say like, if I clean this whole house,
Mm.
I was thinking 1,000, but that's too much. So let's say 500.
500 pesos.
Yes.
Mm.
Because it's just a little room.
Yeah. It is.
But if you need me to do this room and saka yung manggi, that's $1,000.
And first of all,
That's
guys,
pala.
hindi niya kayang gawin yun for sure.
I can.
No.
If I'm alone, this is a fun thing about me. When I'm alone in the house, I just get my instinct that like in my mind like, oh my god, it's so dirty in the house. I clean it, like clean, not just like the clean like you just what do you know this?
What is it? Yung parang dinaanan lang.
Dinaanan lang ng
Nalinis.
walis. I don't do that in
Ganyan
the
pa
house.
nga magulis.
I don't do that in the house though.
Okay. Sige, tingnan natin.
500.
Belle. Oh. Who is the meanest kid you know?
Kuya
Go.
Jazz.
That,
Si Kuya
is he
Jazz.
mean to you?
Yeah.
Like when? Every time ba? Or ano?
Minsan lang.
Minsan lang mean siya sa'yo.
Wala pa nga.
So, Kuya Jess is the meanest for you.
Tapos, yung second,
Ay, may second. Oh.
si Kasi.
Si Cassie.
That's two.
Why Cassie? Why? She's not mean. Use your mic.
Minsan sa akin kasi pag dito kami, nag-aaway kami.
Parehas kasi kayo maldita. Oh,
Yung
may third.
third, si Kylie.
Oh no, may third. May ranking pala kayo. si tata hindi mean sa'yo. Hindi siya, mean.
Konti.
How about mommy?
Zero.
Zero?
Zero nga.
Okay. May pa-ranking si ante. Okay, next. Si Kuya Jazz. I think this is a good question too. If you could rename yourself, what would you like to be called and why?
Oh wait, wait. I actually back then I wanted my friends to call me Jack.
Jack? Why
Jack.
Jack?
Like it's like a man's name, Jack. That's why I wanted to be called Jack. And did you know the one like Jack and Jill went up the hill? I like that. Jack.
Pang man na siya, pang
Yeah.
man. Pero kid ka pa lang. Like, hindi ka pa, like, man.
Yeah.
Pero pag naging man ka, parang yun yung maganda.
I want to be called Jack.
Oh,
But as for now, I'm a kid. I still want to be called Justin.
okay, Jazz
Like
or
Justin Bieber.
Okay.
Shout out there.
Tamang langochi ka dyan ah. Okay, next. Bella. Do you have a favorite song right now?
The aperture picture.
Ah?
The aperture picture.
Okay, can you sing it for us?
Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Hindi ganyan yung
Ay!
turn.
No.
Ganito.
Baka na. Go. Hawakan ko to. Tapos sing.
Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Aperture picture. Kissy face. Turn to your phone. But I kiss you with the moon. Red heart. That's in your phone. But
Very good naman. Galing, talented ka pala, no? May talent ka pala. Akala ko wala ka talagang talent at all. No, I'm just kidding. Next si Kuya Jess na.
That's another.
Ayaw niya
That's
na daw.
another
Sleepy
good
na ata
question.
siya. Okay. What? Okay, yeah, this one is a good
I
question.
told you
too.
guys.
What is the scariest thing that ever happened to you?
Oh, this just happened to me yesterday.
What is it?
When I was skating with my cousin, si Gab.
Cousin, friend?
Yeah, cousin.
Friend?
Friend. Okay, friend.
Yeah?
I lost my mind. When I was skating, he was training me to do a ollie. A ollie is too hard for me. So when I like flick my foot, the skateboard went up to my butt. It hurt so much. Like, you know what?
Where was that? Where did it happen?
Sa harap lang natin.
Ooh.
It
Masakit.
Yeah, that didn't the ano how it hurt so much. It didn't came out of me like
Na
10
masakit.
minutes.
Oh.
The hurt didn't come out of me 10 minutes
10 minutes after mo na siya
after.
na-feel.
Yeah,
Nagpasa siya, ganon.
no, it just got red.
So, ano mas gusto mo matutunan? Mag-basketball, mag-skateboard,
Actually, I want to do skateboard like skateboard.
than basketball?
Yeah.
Okay. Gets. Okay. Go. Si Bel na daw. Bigyan mo yung mic sa, bigyan ng karapatan yan. Okay. Recently, nag-birthday si Kuya Jazz, right?
Hindi ba?
No, before like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah.
2 weeks ago or a week ago. Okay. So, what's your birthday wish for Kuya Jazz?
I wish we have a good family and mabait na ako kay Kuya Jazz. Hindi na ako mapasaway kay Kuya Jazz.
Okay.
Kasi
So,
sabi siya sa akin eh.
so, ang message mo sa kanya, hindi ka nag-wish nag-message kayo na hindi ka na magiging pasaway sa kanya kay Kuya Jazz.
Yup.
And maging good siya sa family or who? Sino maging good?
Kuya Jazz?
Si Kuya Jazz maging good na sa family, no?
Yup.
Okay, wish ko din yan. Magpakatino na siya. Okay, very good. Thank you, Bebo. Thank you for your birthday wish to Kuya Jazz. What will you say?
First of all,
Hindi, may wish siya sa'yo. What will you say? May wish daw siya sa'yo. May message siya sa'yo.
I'll say, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Second of all, what you said, I want it to be true. Like, hindi na siya papasaway sa akin. And I will. I'm trying my best that to be good to my family. But the one thing that Belle said, hindi na siya magpapasaway sa akin, I want that to actually be true. Starting like tomorrow.
Okay. And sinasabi ko sa'yo na mangyayari lang yan kung mag-start sa'yo yung pagiging hindi pasaway. Okay? Gets? Basta ganun yun. Okay. Last question.
For both of us or
For you.
for me?
Tapos na si Kuya Jazz. Tapos ka na, Bebo. Si Kuya Jazz na. So, last question. Tig-isa pala kayo. Give one reason for mommy to get mad at you.
One reason?
Yeah.
Give you a reason to be.
Yeah, ano yung mga reasons na lang? Sige, just give one. Mga reasons para for me to get mad at you.
The reason that you...
Yung pinakaayaw ko sa lahat.
Pinakaayaw mo sa lahat.
Yeah, what is it?
Ang pinakaayaw mo sa lahat, is that I lie. I lie.
Yeah.
I actually don't lie in sadya. I lie in accident because I don't know what I'm speaking. My grammar is not too good. You know that? You feel me?
No. as long as paano ba siya explain? As long as we're there to listen, just say it. Whatever it is, kung gaano kapangit yung iti-deliver mo or yung sasabihin mo or yung aaminin mo, just say it. Because we're just there to listen and itama ka. Ganun talaga ang mga parents. Okay, how about you, Belle? Ano yung or just give one reason bakit nagagalit si mami sa'yo? Bakit minsan?
Kasi naglalay ako palagi tapos naaway ko si Kylie kasi pag nandito sila.
Yeah, that's not good, right? They are your cousins. So, huwag mo silang inaaway. Especially, hindi na kayo like everyday magkasama or nakikita, right? Love, love, love. Love, love lang. Okay? You have to love everybody. You have to love your family members. Okay?
Yeah.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
Nag-sorry. Nag-sorry sa video.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright. Okay, lastly, do you guys have a message for each other?
Yep.
Okay, what's your message to Kuya?
Hindi na ako
Tingin ka sa kanya habang sinasal mo.
wait lang. Wish ko pag birthday niya, may gift ako na maganda sa kanya. Kaya naman kayo
What's your message to Belle? Do you have a message for Belle?
My message to you, what you call that? I want you to be just a good sister to me. That's all.
Okay. Aren't you a good sister? Ano?
Minsan.
Well, you have to always be a good sister and a daughter and a cousin. Right? No, it has to be every day, every time.
Every day.
Okay. So, nakakailang minutes na tayo. Uy, nakaka-32 na tayo. So, that's it for our first episode, guys. And thank you so much sa aking special guests, ang aking Bebu at ang Kuya Jazz. Yeah.
Sana po mag-like and subscribe na lang po kayo.
Yes, and thank you, everyone.
And don't forget my question to you guys. Is Bahamas in the US? Yes or no? Leave down in the comments.
Bye.
Bye.